Start the video.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, we're super excited for this video. As y'all can see by the title speaks for itself, the type of video where we are going to do. So our lovely supporters, they have been watching us and them love we and thing, and they decided that they want to give both of us something, and we are really appreciative of the gifts that they got us. And I have no I am aware of one thing that I am getting. I'm not sure about nothing else in the box, but Richard kind of have idea. Well, Richard have idea of some of the things them I might get, but not everything. But for me, I just want something I know about, and I'm just curious to just see what is inside the box. I am super excited. So thanks to our lovely supporters.
Yeah guys, thank you so much. Like, this means so much. It literally feels nice to reach out to you and
it's actually a good feeling, because you know them people here, them don't know we from Adams, and them just see we and them love we, and them just decide that they want to give us something. So it actually means a lot to us. I just want to say thank you so much, guys. So let's get right
thank you so much. I'm so excited, guys.
Guys, him know I'm excited. Me know why I'm excited as well, cause game, guys, game.
Finally. No, I cut not me no hold on.
Don't damage your box, cause you can find you steel box.
No, damage it.
So guys, in the meantime, while I'm gonna pull the box, ensure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Yeah guys, subscribe, cause I don't know if it go. Finally. You feel nice?
No, I don't feel nice. I'm not kind of eat that. Guys, what kind of eat that for stand up? Put your box up, bro.
Alright. No, a good man. Wow. Well, this unexpected.
Oh. This is totally unexpected. Like, I'm literally not expecting this, but you know what the nicest thing about this? You know that Tally love Welch. So the fact that we get the Welch, I'm gonna bring down some good give her. Guys, my daughter, she love Welch.
I know the Manda love this too, guys.
She love Welch, so I'm gonna bring down some good here. Pull it.
Just rip it open.
And them not really sweet, you know.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
Guys, you know what I want?
I'm gonna carry down some of them here. I'm gonna give her, because she really love them here. She love.
You can't put it. It's completely unexpected.
Yeah, this is so this is so unexpected. I was it's hard to open. Really? Everything is in front of them.
You can't see your camera.
This is so unexpected.
Man, I actually love them messing here, you know.
Yeah, man, actually love that gummy bear and them something. It's been a while since I purchased one of them here.
Come, I'm not eating time now.
So what you say something?
Ta-da! Tell me, say I love this.
So wait, and this did that talk, guys. I'm gonna be honest with you. You know from when no one of them bag your life. I been one of them for the longest while, and I go on Shein and I look on them bag here and I say, no sir, I like how them bag here look on Shein. And then I go in at the reviews and when, like, you know, like when people take the picture of them and like show you what them get, they're literally so tiny. They're so tiny. I go on
like
Temu and do the same thing.
Like,
I've been one of them here for the longest while.
You don't love this?
Of course, you know long more one of them.
No, say I love this.
Alright, let's see what is inside of this. Come out of my bag, cool. Alright, so this is a perfume versus. Yeah, I knew about the perfume. I knew about the perfume, guys. Never had one of these perfumes before. What do you think you're gonna smell?
Let's pull it up.
Alright. So let's test it.
Think perfume, my dear?
Yeah.
More smelly.
What wrong with you? You touch out your hand pop. Richard, what wrong with you?
You just smell something. Jeez.
Yeah, I like this. It is not too strong. It is okay, yes. So, I really like it. Actually, smell
You
nice.
smell girly, bro. No, I spray for me.
You smell girly?
Yeah,
So you
girly.
know what that means? You're not gonna choke.
No. Why is that
Guys,
bag?
this really smell really
Why is
nice.
that bag? Kaya like enough things I get in the bag then.
Guys, so I have another perfume to my collection. It smell really nice.
It's
I
a
like
calic
this.
perfume now. No,
Yeah.
it's not that.
Perfume collection. Ooh, Bath and Body Works. Oh my god. So guys, this is what. So this is actually another perfume. I still want to try to use another perfume then. Yeah,
Now this place much more.
yeah, that one is really nice. Which flavor this?
Yeah, that smell nice.
It's a Costa Rica pink pineapple sweet. Yeah, that one here is really nice. And you know me like but like that perfume here, it is not too strong. Guys, me not like when perfume strong and this it is not strong but it smells really nice. I love that one.
One is perfume. I've got teeth on them now.
No?
Yeah,
That
can
one
I use
is
my
nice as
perfume?
well.
Yeah, me like the one.
You like that one them
My
more?
teeth the one different. You nah, give me no
Teeth
hair,
what?
guys.
Me not get guys. Come on to the mirror sitting there.
Hello, hello,
Which I
Shan.
can.
Hello.
This is a pink no
Oh.
body wash.
Oh. I didn't remember that lady, you know.
That one really smell nice.
Mm-hmm.
Guys, this one really nice.
No, sir. They know you're good man.
That one really
They
nice.
say I love them, they know.
Nice.
No, it's in that bag.
Yeah, one more
I want
something.
Tommy figure bag that you know. Lotion.
Alright. Guys, so this is a lotion. I don't smell nothing so. Smell really nice.
The lotion is
Guys,
so nice.
this you know that this it kinda smell like it kinda smell like this here.
Probably I
Well
want
it
here.
smell it. Well actually I told them it's a Costa Rica. It smell the same. Oh,
You
yeah.
have nothing in that bag?
Guys, let's see what is inside.
You have
this
more things in
box.
that bag? What is that?
It says warm vanilla sugar Bath and Body Works. Guys, me must smell nice by the time I do.
Yeah.
Yeah, me not smell it so.
You know, no, you can't have this one else. It smells nice.
Bath and Body Works. Guys, they actually smell really nice. What is this?
Man, nice man.
What is this?
Oh,
I guess it go on the bag or something.
yeah, go pan this bag, yeah. I think.
I think this goes on the bag. I'm honestly not sure. And more of them. You know what I like about them something here? Like them here when it's so small, you make it easy. You know, like when you want to go places and whatever and you need your body stuff them, like them are so small like them can just literally hold in your bag and me not like walk with load. What is this?
We are going to walk with them.
Bath and Body Works. You're supposed to me go somewhere where you sleep over or whatever.
We have nothing in that bag.
There's just more of these inside. But I asked them if we have more of something inside. You know there's something?
No, just have. I like a few things in that bag.
No, not more.
Don't know.
Yeah.
Admire the
Guys,
bag.
so
We know you know what. You remember me I tell you say
excited
something, I see you look
for
for one
it.
time.
Guys,
This
I've been want the
and in
I've
need.
been want a bag for the longest while and I really love this one. And I love the color and it's also big brand.
Come in, help pick up. Here it again.
Guys, my actor can't talk to me. Let's see what else is inside.
You got another bag. What's in
May I look if money in this.
I could probably just stuff in here this.
Ooh, me like how it feel. Guys, I actually really like this. It's cute.
First you love the little side
Yeah,
bag.
guys, me really like it's a side bag. Me really love side bag. So, me just have to like adjust this little.
You know, if I just know, you know, wear it now.
When me I go on the road again, can't wear this.
It's enough to just casual.
No, I would just wear this garbage.
And
Garbage just there like.
I feel I go, that's not casual.
I go wear this with me, I go. Me I wouldn't wear this garbage. Garbage just there like this. Yeah, I really love this. This is super cute. Oh my god.
Damn.
Wait up. Guys, may I check if money in there?
No money in there, man.
Ooh, let's see what is this. Oh, this is the microphone.
Oh yeah, guys. They also bought us a microphone. Yeah, so we can get better audio, and this is one high quality one based on what we did see everything. So get ready for some really good audio.
Guys,
so open up this.
Guys, this bag is nice also. Which brand is?
Apollo.
Oh yeah, Apollo. Guys, this bag is super cute as well.
It'll be a nice bag she get, guys.
Guys, this is super cute, especially this, and then you see big all because this in a black, guys. I love black. I love black. Yeah. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna wear first, but I feel like I'm gonna wear that one here first. I love them. What else is inside? Ooh. Guys, I been want a purse for the longest while now. Like each time I go online, I say, each time I like go online, I keep on I forget to buy the purse then. And like sometimes I go in a store and I see the purse then and I look on them, like I take them up and look on them. I don't like them, and then some of them look old and chip up like them have been for a long time. So I'm not buying them.
Give money in that too.
Yeah, of course, I fuck if money in there. No money not in there, guys. There's no money inside, and it is in a color that I love. I really love black. Me like literally we take black in anything. I love black. Guys, this is really a nice purse. And the next time when I go on the road, this is the purse I am. You see purse I may have, no long may have it.
So now, I think that's everything for the Manda. It's my time.
Now it's Richard's time, and we all know that it is going to be game related.
Look here, guys. Sweet controller. Guys, most of them are probably not gamer, but you see one of them are $15,000 out there. So they are really expensive. So forget this. Eh? No. No, we're not opening.
What do you mean you're not opening?
No, I'm not opening. And ooh, damn. Me get one more, and I really love this color. And fun fact, guys, you know, so them actually charge more based on the color.
Yeah. Why?
No.
Oh, that no make no sense.
We really like the design of this. Probably put my paddles on the one, yeah. Yeah, can't really. So,
guys, my hands smell really nice.
You get two controller, guys. I thought the grand this, you know.
What that?
This oh shit. I want charging station.
What name so?
To charge your controller and look. And look how you lost my controller charger.
I did not last. I never lost a charger.
Well, me can't find my controller charger. So like
so
I want charge.
So like you put down here, you put the controller for it.
And the charge.
So you don't have to plug in there. No. Oh, this is really nice.
Never expect this.
So is it a case where there's something where they say you have to charge it first before you...
Yeah, we'll plug it in this something now. Plug it.
Oh.
Oh, damn.
And well, it come in handy, because you... What is that? Oh, guys. I'm all on for this, guys. Out of everything where Richard get him control and whatever you said this, I'm happy for this the most for him. You know why? When him play him game, him don't want to turn down the speaker, and according to him, it is not loud. But for me, it is really loud. So I'm glad you get this. Why you not take out this something and make the people then see it?
We go open this, but when we not use the controller, they know. So I open them for. I open this. Everybody know controller. What would be the point of opening? Now open the headphone, but more is move up there. More open the mic. Let me see. Not 14. Ooh, damn. This look neat, guys. Coming out with a pouch and everything. Damn. She looks neat.
A two mic coming there?
Yeah.
Let me see.
They look high quality, you know.
Yeah.
Guys, them look really high quality.
Like it cancel nice too.
See them? Yeah, me did read up on here and something. You have nice cancellation and all of them something. So hopefully this can block out them nice background. They look high quality on them guys. And they come in this neat little pouch. Oh, I guess I saw that plug in there. Yeah.
Let me see what else coming in.
I just charge on the other one. Set up speak. I like the muffin that can go on them. But
I like this how them put it, you know.
Yeah. It look neat, me not like neat packaging. Hope me headset me there, see. Me actually, I know fun fact guys, me there me say yo, me not play no game till me get me headphone. Yeah, because every time I play my game, Manda talk about to turn it on us, so I can't bother.
Oh, this is a 100 and something.
Nah, I'm thinking I'm like so this hard.
I know I know peach, it smell like peach and something.
All the packaging for this look neat, guys. Watch it.
It smells nice, It smells like the peach juice that you always buy.
Not always, that's sometimes. Yo, they feel everything, you know? Glad that I call this name, you know?
Smell, sorry.
Oh, wait. I look like a wireless, so. Manda.
Look like it heavy.
Yeah. It look like, guys, it look like a wireless, no car. Like, yes, so. Yes, so that plug in a game. How bad that tough, that tough.
Let's see, which flavor this?
Guys, so I drop them over my ears. And some people are call me. They're not going to hear me.
This nice as well. She other one.
They over there, so. Man.
Most of them are Sonia.
Yo, they might come like, when they might go over here, they can be here.
Yo, they smell really nice, no?
You can't talk that word.
They smell nice.
Guys, this time I can look, y'all have tough, you can adjust volume and everything.
They smell like me can't eat them, they smell like they smell like they literally smell so sweet, they smell like.
You know you want to go eat them? I'm frat up in there.
They smell like food.
Guys, this definitely, this like it can go wireless. This and that's really good too, because sometimes they call them or something. And this is now me.
So I want to catch Richard I use none of my perfume.
Very nice.
Me know what to do with you. All of them smell nice.
What me do with the knife? What me do with the knife, man?
Much perfume I have 1, 2, 3, diagram 4. So guys, I have 4 smelling good perfume and the lotion. I smell like we can just eat them and them smell like food.
You know, guys, tell them to eat them. Because that's what you want.
So
eat
I
them.
can frat up, you know.
Eat them. You know, top. Hey, I'm actually really glad for this car. I did lose my controller, like me. Guys, I put on my charger. I always plug in on my game. And one day I come in and just cannot find it.
One of them, like, you know, sometimes when I go down on one cam, close them and sing.
Bro, that's why I tell you, so I know say they go love this thing. But
coming in really handy, so I go down, I have to pack my clothes them, you know.
so guys, see me, my controller charging station. It just rested on and just jappy my charger. I don't know anything though. And I guess it come with its own cable. Yeah. Ooh. Like the juice of the controller. See, it come with its own cable, yeah. Guys, we actually did really need a charger. Like, I really love the color on this. Like, guys, this feels amazing. Not, you know, like. No, I need the other one. Hold on.
Guys, I love all my dislikes. I actually really love them.
So hey guys, that's everything what we get, and just want to say a special thank you to the lovely persons that got us all these amazing items. Like, guys, oh God, like two controller. I tell him I feel nice and man I get him bag them. You know, man I love him bag them or something, guys.
Yes, guys, I love everything when we get, guys, and the perfume them and the hand sanitizer and all of them, because something like the lotion, everything, guys, them literally smell so sweet, especially the peach one. Them literally smell sweet to the point I don't feel more that either. Right now my hands.
Stop boy, you want to eat them.
That's how sweet it smell like. Just smell my hand, brother.
It smells nice, but damn, you're going crazy.
Guys, my hand smell really nice right now.
So yeah, guys, we feel amazing. I can't wait to go load up my game now and test out my headphone. And obviously, I have to go open them, charge them up, test them, make sure everything active on them. Just not ready to take them out of the box yet, because everybody, even, let me show you. We have one controller like this. So this this and this is the only thing. Me change up the color a bit. Me put one little stickers here, so I may have on like some rubber something on this, and this I want control free. And of course, we have paddles spanny. We have 4 paddles spanny. I mean, did have to take down the controller to put this spanny. Cause me can't play without paddles, because this is true. Me I want like one. Only say me want competitive gamer. But I want to game the way try to play my best. So it's really good when you can jump and aim simultaneously, because when you press X, time you take your finger off of this, you press X and you put it back yourself to aim only per time. But that's when you can jump and aim. Press this to jump.
Don't understand what you're talking about.
Ow! Where you put your foot this one? So yeah, guys, so that's gonna be it for today's vlog, and
we really want
much
to hear
love.
about dinner, so
yeah, much love and thanks to our special supporters that send us all these nice gifts. Like, words can't describe happiness. Like,
guys, I'm literally super excited for the gifts, the perfume, everything just smell really nice.
no man I can't wait to wearing
And
bag
the
right
bag
now.
them, they are really cute. I appreciate everything that I got.
I actually did really need a charger. Like,
I have to charge it
the owner read
the
mine.
PlayStation.
Yeah,
the
can you
charge the mouse.
Which mouse? The
Not the
controller.
controller, I'm to say.
Yeah, that one mouse. I don't use mouse. I mean, it's head upon the beast, yeah, guys. Almighty.
You have to sort it right now. Right now.
So, guys, I'm gonna load up the game right now or something. So, stay tuned for the next vlog. We're out.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.